viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn letter sounds. Letter A sounds axe. Letter B sounds bottle. Letter C sounds cap. Letter D sounds daddy. Letter E sounds elbow. Letter F sounds face. Letter G sounds girl. Letter H sounds happy. Letter I sounds infant. Letter J sounds jump. Letter K sounds kite. Letter L sounds lollipop. Letter M sounds mommy. Letter N sounds nurse. Letter O sounds orange. Letter P sounds pie. Letter Q sounds queen. Letter R sounds rose. Letter S sounds sun. Letter T sounds toy. Letter U sounds umbrella. Letter V sounds violin. Letter W sounds watermelon. Letter X sounds box. Letter Y sounds yarn. Letter Z sounds zipper. Good job! Like, share and subscribe.